guys, what's up? How are you all? So guys, yesterday I uploaded a reel on my feed showing my new updated hair care routine using Good Hair products. So I just thought I should come here and also talk a little more about these products. So this is their new onion and caffeine hair range, which I am really very fond of, because if you notice that onion is a very good ingredient in a shampoo and oil as well as conditioner, because it takes care of all the hair fall, and caffeine makes your hair really shiny and bouncy and also takes care of gray hair. So I just wanted to show you these new products which have been introduced by Good Hair. First is their hair oil, which is also infused with onion and caffeine, and you can see it has an amazing applicator which makes it really easy to apply. The second thing is their onion and caffeine shampoo, which you have to apply after the oil. Keep the oil for 30 minutes and then start applying the shampoo. And after the shampoo, you can deep condition your hair with the onion. So yeah, I was saying that last you can just deep condition your hair with this conditioner. So guys, in case if you want to get your hands on these three amazing products from the Good Hair range, please do swipe up and check it out.